Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study 4 more letters, Q, R, S, and T. The letters are from the book The American Cursive Penmanship. You can find the links to the book and the practice sheet in the description below. Let's get started. Capital Q has an oval top and a wide bottom. To balance the left and right of the bottom part, the oval needs to slightly lean to the left. But the axis of the oval still follows the mains line. The tangent line to the left should cut through the bottom loop, and the tail needs to slightly go up. Make sure that the tangent line cuts through the bottom loop, or the letter will not look balanced. Also, avoid the temptation to draw the button too wide. The left tangent line should cut through the bottom loop. Capital R looks pretty much like capital P, with a spline in the end. The stem still follows the mains line. The right tangent line should pass through the turning point at the bottom. The counter closes slightly above the X height. Make sure that the stem follows the mains line. This is easier to say than done. The exit of the letter is a spline with some curvature. You should not make it too straight. The closed counter at the top should not separate from the stem too late or too early. The capital S has a big spline. Even though the spline is not straight, the center of the spline should still follow the mains line. If there's not enough curvature in the spline, your letter might look too rigid. It should have slightly more curvature than capital L. On the other hand, there should not be too much curvature in the spline, which would make the letter sloppy. Capital T looks exactly like capital F, with the final crossbar removed. The spline should follow the mains line with very gentle curvature. If you draw 2 tangent lines, the spline should cut through the top in half. The bottom part of the letter should go slightly beyond the left tangent line. The spline should not be too straight, or the bottom part would go too much to the left and the letter would seem to fall over to the right. On the other hand, there should not be too much curvature, or it would look like capital S, and the slant angle would also be wrong. That's all for today. Make sure that you practice on a regular basis, for example, 30 minutes a day. You can find the links to the practice sheet in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe so more people can see my content. Thank you for following my video to this point. Next week we will finish all the capital letters.